Hello students, we are solving the IB Math A AGL May 2024 paper 2 time zone 1 past paper. Today we'll be solving the question number 3 of this paper. This is a common question for both the SL and the AGL level students. For the SL students, it is question number 4 and for the AGL students, it is question number 3. And for the EHL students, you will be getting the other sort past paper questions of this paper, the first question, two questions of this paper and of the other papers in form of playlist on my channel NS Online Math Tutoring Classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I am Nilanjana Sanyal. I am an online IB Math EHL level tutor. In case you want to join my classes, please contact me for more details. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start answering this question. The maximum mark is 4. It is saying the random variable x is normally distributed with mean 10 and standard deviation 2. So x is a normal distribution random variable with mean as 10 and standard deviation is 2, means the variance is 2 square. Okay. Now the subpart E's question is find the probability that x is more than 1.5 standard deviations above the mean. So what is 1.5 standard deviation? Standard deviation value is 2. So 1.5 standard deviations means 1.5 times 2, which is equal to 3. And above the mean value is 10. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 30. Okay. So therefore, it should be probability. So P x is more than, so x is greater than 1.5 standard deviation above the mean, so greater than 30. And it is paper 2, so we'll be using the calculator. Okay, so it is menu and then it is probability or statistics. Let me choose the probability number 5 and then number 5 distribution. And it is the normal CDF number 2. So I'm pressing number 2. Okay. X is greater than 13. So the lower bound should be 13. And what will be the upper bound? Let me write the upper bound as, say, a series of 9s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And the mean is 10 and the standard deviation is 2. Okay. And this is 0. I have to write this norm CDF. Let me write this equal to norm CDF equal to 13. These are the parameters that I have entered. And the upper bound, it was a series of 9s. I'm putting only 5 9s because I don't have any more space. And it is the mean, it was 10 and standard deviation was equal to 2. So this was equal to 0.066807. Okay. So 0.066807 and correct up to 3 significant figures, it will be 0.0668. Correct up to 3 significant figures. Okay. So this is the answer for the subpart A. The probability that x is more than k standard deviation above the mean is 0.1, where k is a real number. Subpart B's question is find the value of k. Okay, so let me start my subpart B's answer over here. K standard deviation. So let me take this as maybe m. So m is equal to, of course, you can take any other variable also. K standard deviations means k times 2 plus above the mean. So plus 10. Just like I have done this. 1.5 standard deviation, so 1.5 times 2. This is k standard deviation, so it is k times 2 plus 10. Okay. and x is more than that. So therefore, p of x greater than m is equal to 0.1. And whenever the probability is given, we use the inverse normal function. And for using the inverse normal function, this should be less than. We cannot use the greater than function. So this can be converted to p of x less than m, because the total probability is 1. Greater than m is 0.1. Therefore, less than m should be equal to 0.9, because 0.9 plus 0.1 is 1. Okay, either it can be greater than or it can be less than. It is a continuous distribution, so less than or equal to, you cannot have x is equal to, that is not possible. So either it will be less than means less than or equal to, greater than means greater than or equal to. Okay, so the sum total of these two has to be equal to 1. Because this is 0.1, the other has to be 0.9. So now we have to get the value of m using the calculator. So I'll be going to menu and then number 5 probability and number 5 distribution, and this time it is the inverse normal. So I am selecting the number 3, and inverse normal area will be the probability, which is 0.9, and the mean is 10 and the standard deviation is 2. So okay, enter. This is 12.56. Okay, let me first of all write this. Inverse normal and V norm. So this is equal to 0.9 and then 10 and then 2 is equal to, what was the answer? 12.563. 12.563 and then it was the 1. Okay. So therefore, I have to get the value of k. This is the value of m. So therefore, m is equal to 12.5631. So therefore, 2k plus 10 is equal to 12.5631, implies 2k is equal to 12.5631 minus 10, which is equal to 2.5631. Okay, so k is equal to 2.5631 divided by 2 equal to 2.5631, sorry, 2.5631 divided by 2, 1.28155. So after 3 significant figures, it is 1.28. Okay. Correct to 3 significant figures. Okay. So we have completed answering this question. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like this video and share this video with your friends in case you like my explanation. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your liking, sharing and subscribing will be helping me a lot, and it will be telling the YouTube that my videos are worth watching. So the YouTube will also be showing my videos to more number of students. You will not only be helping me, you will be helping the other students as well. And we meet again very soon in our next session. We will be solving the next question of the same paper. Till then, bye.